Guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to your Hisense TV. Okay, so for that we need two things. First one is an iPhone, okay, and the second one is a remote control from your Hisense TV. Okay, so what we need to do, first thing, we need to take our iPhone in your hands, unlock it. Okay, after unlocking it, you need to scroll down the control center panel and give a long tap on the Wi-Fi section, okay, right here, to open this Wi-Fi network selection. Okay, so you can see that my iPhone is now connected to this 4THU kind of Wi-Fi. Okay, what we need to do is we need to check if our TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. For that, we're scrolling all the way to the left to open this settings section, and here what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to find this setting tab. Okay, we click on that once. Now here, if you scroll slightly down, you'll find this connection tab. You also click on that. And here, if you're going a little bit down to this network, we'll click on adjust as well. Click on that once. Now network configuration. Click on that. Here you will see that the connection type on my TV is wireless, which means it is connected to a Wi-Fi. Now by this tiny icon on the right side of your TV, you will see that it is connected to the 4THU whatever, which is the same Wi-Fi network as my iPhone. Okay, so once we confirm this, we're going back to the home screen, and here what we need to do is we need to go back to the settings, open the settings, now back to the connection, and here we need to find the AirPlay and HomeKit. Now we click on that just as well, and it will show you the AirPlay icon logo on the on your TV. Okay, now we take your iPhone and make sure that it says AirPlay is on your TV. Okay, right there, as well as the require code first time only. That is to make sure that your neighbors cannot connect to your TV. Okay, so it will ask you for the code to connect to. Now you take your iPhone into your hands back, you unlock it just as well. Now what we need to do is to scroll down once again and find this double square icon. Not sure how to call it, but it's called screen recording in the original iPhone settings. Okay, so we tap on it once, and then it shows us that we have this game room TV accessible. The name of your TV might be different. It will depend on how you called your TV. Okay, so we tap on it once, and now it says it is connected. However, as I said, that it will ask you for a code. And if it's your first time connecting your phone to your TV, you will need to enter the code to your iPhone, which will appear on your TV. Okay, guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.